Maybe I will. Maybe I will do exactly that.
Your day is up in school.
What?
It's the perfect opportunity for you to get Miss Purcell and put that huge mind you got now.
Miss Purcell. Miss Purcell.
I wanted to let everyone know that our next class project is going to be a large three-dimensional mural. It was assembled in early December so that each child can work on their section over the Thanksgiving break.
Oh my God. Thanksgiving is like she hates America. Did you get stuck making that ocean crab too? Yeah. What about it? This one's mine. That's very good. What do you use for shrimp? Shrimp. Tomorrow they're not going to be too pleasant.
A little time bomb for Miss Purcell.
Don't you think the kids just get too much homework?
You are so right. Linda's been up past 10 every night. It's out of control. We never used to get this much homework.
Listen, Deborah, not just me. Talk to my wife.
I thought it was just me. Billy's been so swamped I had to cancel summer and last.
That's terrible. Those are good things.
I don't even know what she's doing to us.
I think maybe someone should definitely speak up, don't you think? Don't say anything.
Is everything okay? I've had break.
No, it's nothing. It's just, some of the people were thinking that maybe there's a little too much homework, for the kids. Everybody's kids. Maybe.
Well, it's what the district thinks is necessary for the children to take the curriculum.